Hi everyone and welcome to my haul. Today I've got a Hanglar WIngs haul. I ordered it last Thursday and it's Tuesday today and it arrived in the morning, which is a fantastic time to arrive from Sweden because Hanglar WIngs is a shop in Sweden. I think you're actually only able to buy their stamps from their shop, so you can't get them anywhere else in the world, which obviously makes it a little bit more difficult for people that live in other countries, but they've always had a really good shipping time, and they're just very secure to order through. And I've ordered from them I think about 3 or 4 times before. They've always arrived just in a perfect package. Nothing's been wrong with it, so really happy about that. And this time I went big. I ordered quite a few of the stamp sets that I've wanted for a while, and then I ordered a lot of their new release sets. So in the little cute brown bag that you get when you order from them, I got these information pages just about their website, which is that, and then their Facebook group and their Instagram channel or page. I always say the wrong thing about Instagram. It's an Instagram page, right? It's not a channel, but on YouTube it's a channel. Anyways, so many different words, so many different things. But yeah, let's start with the first set, which is actually an old set called Snöfolk, which is this super cute little snowman with his broom. Just very sweet. And I think one of the things with Hanglar WIngs stamps is that they have a fabulous design team that just colors these so well. Makes amazing cards and projects with them, and it's just great to be able to copy their coloring. And one of the owners, which is Lisa, she does a lot of coloring tutorials on Facebook, and that's very helpful for someone like me, where I'm always struggling to find the perfect colors to match and color a little image. And it's always helpful to have someone who's more of a pro that actually knows how to color stuff the right way. I have bought myself a color wheel, and it has been helpful actually, because I tended to, before I got my color wheel, I tended to use the wrong colors, and then mid through coloring, and I've spent like 20 minutes on an image, I'm like, I don't like how those two colors I've used looks combined. So that's always helpful to have like a design team that can color really nicely. So this set obviously is a Christmas set. You've got that cute little snowman, and then you've got that cute little snow girl dressed up in ruffles and everything, and then you've got that I don't know the English word for that. We used to do it back home in Sweden with snow, and then you put a little candle in the middle and then it lights up the snow. It's really sweet. I don't know if anyone else does that anywhere else in the world, but we used to do that in Sweden. And then the next set is this birthday set. It's called Fika Erika. It's this super cute girl with a cake, a birthday cake, and then you got this big cake here that you can put all of these candles on and make a really fun birthday card. I don't have a lot of birthday stamps because I tend not to make so many birthday cards. It's really weird, but I need to get better at that, and I thought this set will be perfect for that, to make some fun birthday cards. Then this one is a new set as well. So this is a new set from Hanglar that was just recently released, and then this one is a new one as well. It's called Perfect Matchning, and it's this super sweet girl with a giraffe. I love giraffes. I love giraffes and elephants. And when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect. I mean, look at her little hat. looks even like a giraffe hat. And then you've got this cute little girl with a teddy bear, just the sweetest. And then you've got some sentiments there as well. Super sweet. Then this set is a little bit out of my usual finds and things that I buy. It is a Halloween set, but the reason why I bought it is because one of the owners of Hanglar, she was doing a live and she was talking about how this set can actually be used for other things. And she said such a smart thing actually, that this little girl here that's dressed up as a cute mummy, a very sweet, non-scary mummy, has a little heart, and she could be used for someone that's ill, someone that's broken their leg or their arm, and you want to make them a get better card, and then you can use that little sweet image with the hearts. I thought it was just an adorable idea, so I needed to buy it. And then this one is obviously Frankenstein. I don't know what I would do with that, but maybe I could do like a Christmas card with that, but instead of the poor little girl with the, oh my word, what's the English word for that? Not the chapstick girl. It's called something. I will put the name of it in English here on screen, but you could probably do something similar to that, maybe just mask over the screws there in the head, and just maybe, yeah, you can do something sweet with that. It's only your imagination that's stopping you. And then the next set is this Julia and Julia set, which is once again why I bought it. I saw the design team makes. It's fabulous. It's just so sweet. This is an old kit, an old set. It's this girl. She's dressed as a Christmas tree, and then the little boy is a Christmas bauble, and they just look so sweet together. A perfect Christmas card that we'll make. And then I got this one, which is also an older set. It's a Valentine's Day set. They've got these cute little hearts on a string, super sweet. Just a lovely, lovely stamp set as well to have. And then this one is also quite new. It's not from the newest release, but it's quite new, and it's one of their summer releases. It's the ice cream eating girl and boy. I know a lot of people that love ice cream, so I thought this would be fun for just a summer card or a spring card, or really, yeah, just for someone that loves ice cream, maybe even a birthday card. Just very sweet. And then these two stamp sets here is from the new release. And when I saw this one, it's called Autumn in the Garden, I just knew I needed to get it because I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are so beautiful, and it's really autumn for me. So this is a little girl and a boy holding these massive, and when I'm saying massive, they're really massive sunflowers. Just so sweet. Isn't that set adorable? Just really lovely. And then the last but definitely not least is this set called Sylt och Saftmaja. It's this super cute little lady here, almost like a grandma. She's got her hair up and it's all curly. She's making jam, and oh, it's just so sweet. Everything is sweet that Hanglar WIngs does. It's just it's just too much sometimes. Too much sweetness. But you've got the jars there, you got the bottle, and then you got the wooden box that you can put all of the jars and bottles in. Yeah, just adorable, absolutely adorable. And these will be perfect to colour in and have fun with. And actually, I can give you a little bit of a sneak peek. I'm going to record a proper video of it, but I'm currently... Actually, I've just finished it. I've done a registry of all of my stamps that I have, all of my stamps in my collection, just so I know what kind of tilde and what type of Hanglar stamps I've got, all of that in my collection, and then loads of other things as well. But yeah, I will do a video about that. So I will need to stamp these in and fill up my stamp registry booklet. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video and take care. Bye!